Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us keep making these videos for you. Looks like today we're doing number 250. And if we start with this box, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.